Hello, welcome back guys to Spotter channels here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change Bluetooth name on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button below to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here you just have to open the settings, and now in the settings page, go to this connected devices. Now tap on it, and after go to connection preferences, and now tap on Bluetooth. If you want to change the name, you just have to activate first, and now we'll see the device name. Here I'm gonna change it for the Bluetooth name. For example, I'm gonna change it to the Spotter guys. And after tap on the rename, it will be automatically saved guys. For the Bluetooth, it's already changed the name from the area to the Spotter. And then here you can also open this Bluetooth page by the control center. We'll see here the Bluetooth options, this one, and to go it, you just have to tap and press for a second, and it will be in this connected devices again. To open the Bluetooth, go to connection preferences and tap on Bluetooth. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.